Every year, as spring gives way to summer, the city of Kraków bursts into flames, figuratively and almost literally, with one of its most iconic and magical events, the Dragon Festival, or Smoczy Festival. In 2025, this celebration was more than just a spectacle. It marked a monumental 1,000-year anniversary since the first known celebration of the dragon legend in 1025. A millennium of myth, memory, and magic. The heart of the festival lies in a tale passed down through the ages, stitched into the very soul of Kraków. According to legend, centuries ago, when Poland was still young and the Wawel Hills stood untouched by castles, there lived a fearsome dragon in a cave along the Vistula River. This beast, the Wawel Dragon, or Smoczy, terrorized the local people, demanding cattle as sacrifice and turning their lives into a nightmare. King Krakus, the city's mythical founder, vowed to protect his people and rid them of this terror. Many knights tried and failed, until a humble shoemaker named Scuba devised a clever plan. He stuffed a sheep with sulfur and left it near the dragon's lake. The dragon devoured it, and in a desperate thirst to quench the fire within, drank so much water from the Vistula River that it exploded. That story of cleverness over brute force, of resilience and hope, lives on in Krakow's heart and echoes through the centuries. And once a year, the city honors it in breathtaking fashion. This year, I had the chance to witness this celebration firsthand. And what an evening it was! As dusk fell over the Vistula, the river came alive. Giant dragon puppets floated on barges, lit from within, parading like ancient spirits awakened from legend. Laser shows danced across the sky, blending light and myth, while firecrackers exploded overhead like the heartbeat of the tale being retold. Children watched in awe. Adults too were caught in the magic. And I stood there, camera in hand, capturing 1,000 years of history retold in flame and light. The Dragon Festival is not just about remembering the past. It's about how stories shape us, how communities grow from myth, and how tradition breathes new life into modern celebration. In Kraków, the dragon still flies, fiery, fearless, and forever.